In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure your WordPress permalink settings. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to optimize your site, adjusting your permalinks is a simple yet crucial step for improving your website's organization and search engine visibility. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to update your page URLs effectively and why this small change can make a big difference for your site. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description below to get started. It's free to sign up, and WordPress is one of the most popular and powerful platforms for managing websites. All right, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to your WordPress homepage. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the login option. This will take you to the sign-in page where you can access your WordPress dashboard. Now, instead of entering your credentials manually, I recommend selecting the Continue with Google option to sign in. Why? Well, this method not only saves you time, but also adds an extra layer of security by leveraging your Google account credentials. Once you've clicked that, a list of your previously used Google accounts will appear. Simply choose the appropriate account and you'll be logged into your WordPress dashboard. Once inside, the next step is to navigate to the Pages section. This is where all the content pages for your website are managed. You'll find the Pages option in the menu on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Go ahead and click on it and you'll see a list of all the existing pages on your site. Now, locate the page you want to modify. Next to that page, you'll notice a Quick Edit option. Click on Quick Edit. This tool is incredibly useful because it allows you to make fast changes to page settings without having to open the full editor screen. It's a real time saver. Within the Quick Edit interface, look for the field labeled slug. The slug is essentially the part of your page's URL that comes after your domain name. For example, in your website.com/about, the slug would be about. Go ahead and update this field to better reflect the content of your page. For instance, if the page is about services, your slug could be services or our services. Keep in mind that the slug is an important part of your page's URL structure. It not only makes your URLs more user-friendly, but also plays a role in search engine optimization, and better SEO means better visibility for your site. As a quick note, make sure the slug is clear, concise, and formatted using only lowercase letters. Use hyphens to separate words instead of spaces or underscores. Once you've updated the slug, you're almost done. Look for the Update button in the Quick Edit interface and click on it. This step is crucial because it saves your changes and applies the new permalink settings to the page. Without this, your modifications won't take effect. Finally, it's time to verify that everything is working as expected. Open your website and navigate to the page you just updated. Double-check that the permalink reflects the new slug correctly. This is a good opportunity to ensure there are no typos or formatting issues in the URL. And that's it. You've successfully configured your WordPress permalink settings. By following these steps, you've improved both the organization and the search engine optimization of your website. If you have any questions or other topics you'd like me to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your feedback or suggestions for future videos. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.